how's it going, guys? Town here. We're playing some more Battle Cats, but we're not doing Chapter 3 Moon right now. We are on Chapter 3 Moon, like we have it, okay? Like I can do it right now, but I'm trying to get all treasures, you know? So I'm doing that off screen, but today I'm gonna be doing some SOL. Only like the first chapter. I did some of it just to see if we're capable. Loadout we're using, not that bad. Just have range. I have Marauder just in case the metal comes, but we're gonna take him out for somebody cheaper. I need to upgrade a lot. Oh yeah, I like her. She has a decent area, but I'm not gonna use her. I need a Paris cat. She's so good. Yeah, we could bring an apple. Why not? Only level 5 though, not that high level. I'm not expecting these levels to be that difficult. It's only the first sub-chapter. Not that bad. Let me see what to do. Yeah, I guess we can stack walls and then get a dragon stack going. Might as well. I don't know what's in this stage right now, but I don't really care. Gonna upgrade a little bit. Get to at least level 3, family. Alright. Dragon's actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Holy crap. Keep it going, Dragon. You attack so slow, though. Why do I have to stack? Why am I stacking? Let's just rush it. Freak it. I only have a level 10 draft. I really haven't been upgrading draft. I don't know why. Sexy Legs is only level 10 as well. Sheesh. Let's see it. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, we got this. Dragon Sack's too good. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I was expecting it to be harder, I'm not even gonna lie. Because without Valkyrie and stuff, you know? But we do have Cat Machine just in case we need it, but I doubt we will ever will. That big old Cat Machine. Whoa, boy. How much can we get? Let's see, I want to do it so badly, but now we can't because I clicked off of it. Is this the final one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Second to last one. That's okay. You have a decent range, not gonna lie. Man, these stages are low-key easy, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I went against a red pig, like with the crown, you know what I'm talking about. But that was pretty easy because Cat Machine just shredded him. It's pretty good. I guess we can get it. Let's just go with you. We're rushing, why not? There's no way this stage could be hard, though. We gotta get Giraffe up to level 20. Not gonna lie. But that's a waste, isn't it? Cause like, I don't really use Giraffe. I'll just use Crazy Giraffe once we get him. Crazy Giraffe is pretty easy. Alright, what's at the base? Nothing much. Cool. Oh, Elephant Boy. It's not bad. Oh shit. Pretty tough. Dragons outrange Elephant by quite a bit, not gonna lie. Fuck, she's dead already. She sucks ass. Alright, there he goes. Elephant's gone. Let's get out Cat Machine just cause. Cat Machine. He looks cool. I can't wait to evolve him. I don't remember what he looks like evolved. I remember his true form being insanely OP. I think I'll keep him at his second form, not his true form, just because I think that's a little bit too OP. Cause his second form does not make him S tier or anything like that. It's just his true form makes him pretty relevant. Not gonna lie, like very, very good. What's in here? We're close to upgrading him though. I can't wait. Let's see if we can get. We only have 3 Ubers currently. My cat food's down. What have I been doing? I forgot. Yeah, I'm so tired. Just wanted to make this video nice and short so I can keep getting the treasures for Chapter 3 Moon and, not worry about Chapter 3 Moon right now. Alright, yeah, now we can start sending out some malls, I guess. Dang, I forgot. I should have bought Samba Cat. She's so good. I could have got her Chew Farm this one day. I saw Gato Awakens was on, and I was like, no way I'm ready for that. When, in reality, I was probably able to do it with, because I had, level 15 dragon at the time. All I really had to do is just stack a dragon with a nerd behind him, or whatever. A nerd in the back. And I think I would have been able to do it, to be honest, and had a true form meat shield already. That would have been pretty insane. But obviously not, because we can't true form anything unless we beat Chapter 3 Moon. That just shows how easy the special cat awakenings are, though. Probably the hardest one will be Kung Fu. And I guess Dark Laser a little bit, not really. Oh yeah, Ninja's pretty easy, not gonna lie. Yep, finish it off. Oh yeah, black enemies are in this one. I forgot all about that. Black dogs aren't anything though. They're pretty easy. Bullying them. We have a nerd and cat machine coming. Yeah, easy stage. I have no anti-floating Uber, bro. I need one. Yep, that's stage. Easy, done. Next one, please. Oh yeah, that's the first sub-chapter. Done. Finished. Nice. No. Sweet Irony is Metal Cyclone, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. That's Metal Cyclone. Yeah, 50,000 just like that. That's pretty good. Not gonna lie. Let's upgrade. Are you joking, bro? We need 100 more. Oh my god, this game. 30 more emeralds. Fuck. Alright. I think we could do startup. Even though it's gonna be very, very difficult to do it. Not gonna lie. I just need one more level to be able to. Damn, cafe buffet. Fuck. 100 energy though. Goddamn. Oh fuck, there goes my code. Steal it, please. I don't want this account anymore. It sucks. I'm just playing. Yeah, I guess we could do this real quick to get the experience to get him level 9, I guess. Oh yeah, oh yeah, on that shit too. Oh yeah, you guys know Battle Catch Japan version? I have a Legend Rare on that account, bro. I gotta show you guys that after this. I got a Legend Rare on that account. I was like, what the fuck? Damn, alien dog going crazy though. And we're okay. Yeah. Oh fuck. What do we need? You. Then there. That's the level. Holy shit. Alright, there we go. And 10 caffeine. And I'll definitely take that treasure. Oh yeah, we gotta upgrade them, I forgot. Damn, 500,000 next time. Alright, let me show you guys my Japan account. Like, holy shit, I have a Legend Rare. I can't believe it. I should be mad, but at the same time, I'm not. For some reason, you know? The Legend Rare is good against something I forgot. I know it looks weird. It's Japan version. Look at this. A whole Legend Rare. I'm thinking about maining this account, to be honest. A Legend Rare? Like, what? Why wouldn't I want to main this account, though? Because I can't read shit? I don't know. Alright then, pussies. Peace out.